Assalamu alaikum. I have a 99% done for you program where we help beginner 9 to 5 employees or business owners get high paying customers and earn $300 to $500 commissions without needing tech skills, without creating product, and without spending months trying to figure things out. And yes, due to the nature of the program, complete beginners like Anna earned $500 commission. And after a couple of days, Anna earned another $500 commission. Daryl made multiple $500 commissions. Fatin and Aisha couples made multiple $300 and $500 commissions. Daryl made $300 commissions. Lokman made multiple $500 commissions. Rachel lives in Australia. She made multiple $500 commissions. Ron lives in UK and he earned multiple $500 commissions. But here is something important to understand. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The results you're seeing are real, but they're based on consistent effort, following the system, and applying what's taught. Some people see fast results, like Shaun Qayyum earned his first $500 commission within a week of joining the program. Amreen earned her first commission within 6 to 8 weeks. Salma within a month. Yeah, some people may see fast results and others take a little longer because everyone's situation is different. Your results may be slower or faster, depending on your consistency, the time you put in, and your willingness to put in the work. And I am here to help you every step of the way. But before you get excited, there is a catch. This program is 99% done for you. But the 1% that you need to do, it's simple, but not always easy for a lot of people. That 1% work I'm talking about is using social media to attract high-paying customers. Because where do people spend most of their time? Scrolling social media mindlessly, watching videos. But here is the problem. Most people, even the members who made money from our program, don't want to make videos, even when it's easy. And as a founder of the program, as someone who has made 8 figures in selling digital products and mentored thousands, my job, my team's job, is to do the hard work for you, to figure out the easiest way to solve problems. And after testing every method possible, including AI and all, we found one of the easiest ways to make customer getting videos.
Reaction videos. That's what it's all about.
Why don't you do reaction videos?
We started React, so now we just take a few $100,000 a month from that, we just throw it on the main channel.
And so we come to our story of the day, reaction videos. What the heck are they, and why are they taking over the internet?
Yes, my friend, reaction videos. What you have just seen is me shooting a reaction video. I watched another video and reacted on it. Don't we naturally do it every single day when we watch any video, like this video? Or maybe this video. What we don't do is we don't record our reaction to it. My name is Mosh Bari and I'm a digital entrepreneur. Because I'm Muslim, I keep my business completely interest or riba free. I came from 9 to 5 day job as an employee, eventually started a side hustle, launched my own companies, and earned over $10 million with digital marketing. I launched 60 plus digital products on Warrior Plus and JVZoo Marketplace. Alhamdulillah, I have over 100,000 customers online. We paid over $3 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliate partners. And Alhamdulillah, I was blessed to share stage and join masterminds with 8-figure entrepreneurs. And after achieving all this, Alhamdulillah, here is one thing I know for sure. Complete beginners, 9 to 5 employees, and people who once thought that online business is hard are making $300, $500, $650, $1,000 commission. And after all these years of experience, I have to say that reaction videos are the easiest and they work like crazy. Let me show you some examples. This is one of my Instagram accounts that has over 180,000 followers. This one reaction video is responsible for 1.2 million views and 24,000 followers. Yes, my friend, this one upload of this video added 24,000 followers to my account. And I have uploaded this video multiple times, probably so far more than 20 times. And this one reaction video is responsible for total 50,000 plus followers. Here is another video. The first time I launched this video a couple of months ago, it brought in over 20,000 followers. Now recently I uploaded again, and from this upload, my account added 6,500 more followers. Same thing happened in TikTok. This is one of the videos I uploaded multiple times on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And every time it added many followers. Now this upload has added 4,100 followers from 372,000 views. Not only me. Top YouTuber Mr. Beast has Beast Reacts channel. All these videos are, guess what? reaction videos. Jeremy Miner is a sales coach and he does reaction videos frequently. This video has got 171,000 views and from a channel with 1.8 million subscribers. I have done a complete research on reaction video channels with Google's AI Gemini and got a long list of reaction video channels with millions of subscribers. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert and you don't even need to show your face. Yes, it's possible. And you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Now you might be asking, Mosh, do these reaction videos actually make money? Well, yes, they do. I have been using reaction videos for years, getting high-paying customers every day and making thousands of dollars. Ever since I started making reaction videos, my life has got so much easier. Getting new followers, easy. Growing social media accounts, easy. Driving traffic is completely automatic. Getting leads, simple. And attracting high-paying customers like clockwork. But as a founder and a mentor of a 99% Done For You program, my job is to constantly research and find out how to help my members, my students, get high-paying clients, get high-paying customers like me, and make money easily. So instead of relying on my personal experience, I went to ChatGPT and asked a neutral question. Can reaction videos get customers for business? If yes, why exactly? Answer with table, serial number, reason, rate effectiveness out of 5, and reason for rating in columns. That's it. I did not try to manipulate the results with a tricky prompt. I went to DeepSeek AI and asked the same question. I will share the results with you in a moment. It will be shocking. And I'm going to ask the same question to Qwen Chat and show you the results live. I'm also going to ask Grok AI the same question and see the results live. But I don't want to stop there. I want to be 100 transparent and make sure you get the full information. So I'm going to use Cloud AI as well and see the results. While all the AI platforms are working, let's go and check the result. This is from ChatGPT, this is from DeepSeek, this is from Qwen Chat, this result is from Grok, and this result is from Cloud AI. Before I show you the results, we teach our students a proprietary method of using social media to get attention and attract serious buyer customers. It's called RANT. While all these steps are important, without this one component, it's impossible to get people to buy from you and make money. And it is called trust. When we looked at ChatGPT's result, from all the things ChatGPT said about reaction videos, like its high audience engagement, virality, and rich relatability, the most important is trust building, which is also called authenticity. Seeing genuine, unscripted reaction makes a brand or product appear more authentic and credible. Let's go to DeepSeek. The first reason DeepSeek thinks that reaction videos can help businesses attract customers is authenticity and trust. Do I need to take a screenshot and show you what Qwen Chat has said? Isn't it authenticity and relatability the same thing that ChatGPT and DeepSeek said? What about Grok? The second point is builds trust through authenticity. How about Claude? Can you read the first sentence? Authenticity and social proof. 5 out of 5. This was the reason we were able to generate $491,000 from one Warrior Plus account. That's a real account, by the way. Have a look at it. After seeing undeniable proofs, after getting confirmation from researchers using multiple AI platforms, I got confident and so I went all in. I did extensive research and compiled everything I knew about reaction videos, and it turned into a 106-page book. Well, we will be working on it. We will be adding more to just 106 pages. But right now it has 12 chapters and 106 pages. It's not just another book of endless pages of theory. It was written in 6th graders reading level. So it's super easy to read. And we made it as interesting as possible. But that's not all. We covered all the formulas, the technique, example, worksheets. We showed how to utilize the little bit of time that you have per day. We showed you how to make it ethical and halal. We used easy to remember acronym, bullet points, templates, table to understand. Tables remember. Well, don't worry, you don't have to memorize anything. My goal was to make it simple and easy. And we provided the exact prompt that we use with AI to plan and make our reaction videos. So you don't have to think about it. You don't have to research and do it yourself. It's just copy and paste. This book is the go-to book for me and my team to make customer getting videos. And it is made for our students who already paid their hard-earned money and joined our 99% Done For You program. It is built for our students, and we built it in a way that our students can easily understand, take action, get results, give give us testimonials, and we will show off results like this and even get more customers. It was never meant for giving away or selling outside our members group. This book was only meant for our members. But then I thought, why not we open this to people who don't have the means to join the program, or they want to have an idea how we deal with our students, what type of value we provide our members before they decide to sign up to our main program. This way, I will be able to help a lot more people. And of course, nobody is getting results for free, and I'm not even giving it away. People who get this book actually have to read it, understand it, take action, and then get results. So with this book, I will be able to attract serious action takers. And that's why we are offering this book at an extremely affordable investment. Our goal is, when you get this book, follow through and get results, we will be able to help you. And inshallah, we will get our blessings from Allah. And at the same time, some of these book customers may want to extend their interest in doing further business with us. Wouldn't that be awesome? That would be a great win-win. Okay, you must be thinking, Mosh, I don't have experience with digital marketing or affiliate marketing. What am I gonna get customers for? We thought about it already. So we are giving you another book as an affiliate marketing Kickstarter guide to become an affiliate marketer and earn commissions through sending these customers to your affiliate link. But hey, once you get commissions, I want a testimonial. Agreed? Okay, I want you to look at the website or message below this video, read it and understand it. I want you to see the other bonuses that we are offering. They are bundled together to make sure you get results, get high-paying customers, and make money as fast as possible, as easy as possible. And by looking at the extremely low price, you must be asking, Mosh, why are you giving it away at such a low price? Well, I told you, I want the blessings from Allah by helping you, and I want only serious customers who know that they need to spend at least a little amount of money to get real value. But my friend, there is a catch. Whatever the price you see on this website is the most affordable price, is the lowest price right now. And I want you to grab this book before this opportunity is gone and the price is higher, because we have set the price in a way that increases in every few sales. That means if you leave this page and come back later, you may see a higher price. You don't want to pay more when you can lock in the lowest price right now. I believe in rewarding fast action taker, because when you take fast action, you show that you trust me, and I respect that trust. And that's why if you act right now, you will get more bonuses in the members area. Surprise bonuses. And since they are paid and expensive bonuses, we will be removing them shortly. So take fast action. Check below this video and get your access right now. Here is a special bonus. After collecting feedbacks from early adopters and making updates and upgrades, making final changes, I will turn this book into a masterclass, a paid masterclass. It will be a pretty high paid masterclass, but the early adopters will get that masterclass for free when we make it. So yes, if you see the price tag below $27, you will get that masterclass for free. But if you see the price tag of this book is more than $27, unfortunately, that masterclass will not be free for you. So are you going to wait until the price rises to $27? My plan is to start from $5. Don't wait. Take the book right now at $5, just $5. One more crazy bonus. I charge $1,000 for 1 hour one-on-one consultation call. And my 99% done for you program members get one call with me for free, where I sit with them and make a custom plan just for them. Here are some of the screenshots and photos of one-on-one calls, but you don't have to pay that much. As an early adopter, you will get a 30-minute one-on-one consultation with me on a Zoom call. No fluff, no sales pitch, pure value. You can ask me anything about getting customers, digital products, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, AI, how we use AI on day-to-day basis to make money. Or if you don't have questions, no problem. I will ask you questions, I will give you the answers and make it easy for you and make a custom plan just for you. Let's recap what you are getting right now. You're getting a 106-page book that makes getting customers easy and simple. A bonus book to quickly start earning affiliate commission. Fast action pricing. You're getting the lowest and the most affordable price. You're getting free access to the upcoming masterclass for early adopters only until the price rises to $27. And a 30-minute one-on-one coaching call with me. This is the best time, the perfect time to take action. Lock in the lowest price, grab the bonuses, and start getting high-paying customers. Click the button below, get access to everything instantly, and I will see you inside.